Hey everyone, this is Sensei Rob over at Code Ninjas in Tustin, California. I'm making this video to help you download and install Roblox Studio. Roblox Studio is something we used during our Roblox camps that helped our students create and publish their very own Roblox games. So we're going to get started right here, and the first thing I'm going to have you do is open up a web browser. For my case, it's going to be Google Chrome. We're going to head to roblox.com. And you're going to see this pop up. Now, you don't necessarily need to have an account to download Roblox Studio, but you're going to need an account to actually start creating. So if you don't have an account, just go and follow these simple instructions and you'll be on your way. If you do have an account, then it'll be a little bit easier. But for the most part, we're just going to head to login. Like I said, we don't necessarily need to log in order to download. We're just going to go to create. You're going to come to this web screen right here. You're going to see a little video in the background. Click on Start Creating. And this little box should appear at the top, and it will say Open Roblox. This will start the download and installation process, and this screen will pop up. Like I said, you will need an account to start creating, so you can sign up here, or if you have an account already, go ahead and log in. And it might take a little while, but once you log in, it will take you to the main menu where you'll see a couple different templates. These templates are basic templates you can start using to create your very own Roblox creation. Hope this tutorial helped, and see you next time.